Hi, I'm Fiona, a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you preparing to take the Business Education Content Knowledge exam? This is Praxis test code 5101. This exam covers a range of important subtopics. In this video, we'll be focusing on accounting and finance. Let's dive into the types of questions you can expect to see on the exam. Problem number 1. Per generally accepted accounting principles, in which order are a company's financial statements produced? Income statement, statement of retained earnings, balance sheet, and statement of cash flows. Or statement of cash flows, income statement, balance sheet, and statement of retained earnings. Or income statement, statement of cash flows, balance sheet, and statement of retained earnings. Or statement of cash flows, income statement, retained earnings, and balance sheet. According to generally accepted accounting principles, the financial statements of a company are produced in a specific order. First is the income statement, which shows the company's revenues and expenses leading to net income. Next is the statement of retained earnings, which starts with the retained earnings from the previous period, adds the net income, and subtracts any dividends paid. Then comes the balance sheet, which provides a snapshot of the company's assets, liabilities, and shareholders' equity at a specific point in time. Finally, the statement of cash flows outlines the cash inflows and outflows from operating, investing, and financing activities. This order ensures a logical flow of financial information from profitability to retained earnings and overall financial position. Which of the following is considered the first step of the accounting cycle? Entry placed in accounting journal, entry placed in accounts receivable ledger, examination of sales invoices, or examination of source documents. An entry placed in the accounting journal is crucial for recording transactions, but it is not the first step. Similarly, entries in the accounts receivable ledger organize customer balances, yet they come later in the process. Examination of sales invoices is important for verifying specific transactions. However, the first step of the accounting cycle is the examination of source documents. These documents, such as receipts, invoices, and bank statements, provide the evidence needed to record financial transactions accurately. This initial step ensures that all transactions are verified and documented before being recorded in the accounting system, maintaining accuracy and reliability in financial reporting. Problem 3. Which of the 5 C's of credit refers to a reserve source of value that can be seized if a business is unable to pay its debt? Conditions, collateral, capacity, or capital. Among the 5 C's of credit, conditions are important as they refer to the terms and circumstances of the loan. Capacity assesses a borrower's ability to repay the loan, and capital evaluates the financial resources a borrower has. However, collateral refers to a reserve source of value that can be seized if a business is unable to pay its debt. Collateral provides security to the lender, as it can be sold to recover the loan amount in case of default. Problem number 4. Debt that guarantees lenders will be paid back in the form of collateral is known as which of the following types of debt? Unsecured debt, revolving debt, secured debt, or promissory debt. Unsecured debt lacks the guarantee of repayment through collateral, making it riskier for lenders. Revolving debt allows for ongoing borrowing up to a set limit. And promissory debt refers to a written promise to repay. However, debt that guarantees lenders will be paid back in the form of collateral is known as secured debt. This type of debt is backed by assets, ensuring that lenders can recover their funds by seizing the collateral if the borrower defaults. I hope this video has helped you understand the types of questions you'll encounter in the Accounting and Finance section of the Praxis 5101 exam. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to our channel. With Study.com's support, you'll feel confident and ready for exam day. Best of luck with your preparation. Bye for now.